Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to diagnose the car which cranks but don't start. So let's start it. As you can see here, engine is spinning but it's not starting. Now let's check the fuse, if any fuse is blown or what. Turn on ignition and check for any fuse blown. Here is our fuse box and this is cover. Here we can see this is 20 ampere fuse of ECM. ECU means engine control unit, and it is likely to be this one. Now we are going to check fuse with the help of test lamp. This is our test lamp. Connect one end of test lamp to negative terminal and other to positive. To see whether it works. Now you can see here test lamp is working properly. Now we are going to check the fuse. As we can see, there is only power in one side of our fuse. So we are going to remove this fuse and see whether it's blown or what. It's blown, we can see it. This is new one, you can see it. You can again check it with the help of test lamp to see whether power is coming to both ends. Now we will try to start. We have already changed the fuse and now we are going to try to start the engine. As you can see, now engine starts. Let's do it once again. Hey, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.